You came into my life like something I didn't know I was allowed to ask for. Not loud, not dramatic, just steady. Like the kind of sunrise that doesn't need applause, because it knows it belongs there. I met a lot of people in this lifetime. Some passed through like a wither, some stayed long enough to leave a mark. But you felt familiar in a way I can't explain, like my soul recognized yours before my mind caught up. There are moments in life that feel ordinary while they're happening,